welcome prim4 to another video. Today we're gonna start our first lesson in Unit 4, which is collecting, displaying and representing data. We're gonna explain our first example in page 76 in your booklet. Our first example says the following table shows the sum of money which Omar saved in 5 consecutive months. Represent this data by using a bar line. So we're gonna know today how to represent the following data using a bar line. In January he saved £30, and in February he saved £20, and in March he saved £40, and April he saved £20, and the last one in May he saved £50. So to represent this data we're gonna use a graph like this to represent our following data. So I'm first gonna leave a column, and from the first bold line here I'm gonna draw array, and down the paper here I'm gonna leave a square, and then from this bold line here I'm gonna draw a line. So let's start. I'm gonna draw the first line here. Last one down there. This is array and the other array. The array down there represent the months, and the day up there represent the amount of money. So down there I'm gonna write the months as the following. I'm gonna leave 2 squares, then start writing here another 2 squares, then I write February, another 2 squares, then I'm gonna write March, another 2 squares, then I'm gonna write April, and another 2 squares, and I'm writing May. So I write the first row here, down the array there, and to save the money is 30, 20, 40, 20, and 50. I suppose this is answers can be found in table 10. So I'm gonna divide this array according to the results of table 10. My first start here is 0, then the first square is 5, the second is 10, then 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40, 45, 50, and 55, and 60. I think that's enough because the maximum value that we have is 50. So in January, Omar saved £30. So I will come in January and draw a bar up to 30. So my bar will end here. I'm gonna put a dot, and then I'm gonna draw a bar. I'm gonna take it 1 centimeter, then I'm gonna go down. So Omar saved in January £30. I can shadow this bar like this. This is our first value. In February he saved 20, so in February I'm gonna raise up to 20. I just put a dot to mark it. Then I will draw a bar line. I'm gonna take it 1 centimeter, 1 square, and go down. Then I can shadow it. In March he saved 40. So in March I'm gonna raise up to 40. last one, April, he saved 20. I'm gonna go from April up to 20. I'm gonna take it one square and shading it. Last one in May, he saved 50. I'm gonna raise up in May up to 50 right here. And shadowing it like the others. So we finished our example. In January he saved up to 30 like shown here, and in February he saved 20, in March he saved up to 40, in April he saved 20, and in May he saved 50. I think this is trivial and you can do it by yourself at home, so you have to practice on it. Get your paper, a graphing paper, and try to draw it by yourself. Let's move to another example. In page 79, here we have example number 4. The table below shows the production of handmade carpets that were exhibited by a group of production families in an exhibition. So, first column says the number of families. So family number 1 have made 35 carpets, family number 2, the second one, made 25, the third made 5, the fourth made 15, and the fifth made 20. We want to represent this by using the bar line. Let's do it here. I'm gonna do array right there and array down there. So by using my ruler, I will draw array here and array down there. The array which is down represents a number of families. The first column, which is a family, and the array up there represents the number of carpets. Okay, let's start writing the families. This is the first, and here is the second, and third, fourth, and the fifth. Let's see the number of carpets, just to know how to divide this line. We have 35, 25, 5, 15, and 20. I think all of these results are found in table 5, so I'm gonna divide it as in table 5. There is 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. The maximum number that we have here is 35, and we covered all the results. So first, I'm gonna draw at the first row. I'm gonna draw up to 35. So in this line, I'm gonna go up to 35. I marked it. Then with my ruler, it's just raise up 35. Take a half of a centimeter and go down, and then I can shadow this bar using my pen. The second family, it made 25, so we're gonna raise up to 25. Then I'm gonna take it half of a centimeter, then I go down, then I shadow third family only made 5, so I'm gonna raise up to 5. I take half of a centimeter, then I go down, then I shadow. The fourth family make up to 15, so I'm gonna raise up to 15. I'll take it half of a centimeter, then I go down, shadow. And the last family made 20, I'm gonna raise up to 20. I'm gonna take it half centimeter, then I go down and shadow it. There is an important notice. In the last example, we have divided the ray beneath into 2 squares, then I write another month in after 2 squares, then I divided all this row with 2 squares. But here I only divided after a square. If you divide it in 2 squares, you can make the bar line up to 1 centimeter and then go down. But if you divide it according to 1 square only, so your bar will go only half centimeter and go down. Do not make these bars beside each other or connecting with each other. Okay? Let's see exercise number 2. The following table shows the money that's saved by Ahmed and Omar in 4 weeks. Represent this data by a double bar. I just draw a line here and a line down there. This line represents the number of weeks, and the other represent let's represent the amount of money. So first I will come to the line down there and divide it into 2 squares. This is the first week. After 2 squares, this is the second week. After 2 squares, this is the third week, and the last one is the 4th week. Then I'm gonna see the numbers that I have. I have 7, 6, 6, 8, and 10, 12, and 15. I want to divide this line to cover all of these numbers, so I'm gonna divide it in table 2. I'm starting from 0. Here is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. The maximum number that I have is 15, and we have a problem in that 15 doesn't show here, and also the odd number 7 doesn't show up here. So I'm gonna put 15 the middle way between 14 and 16. Here is 15, and the number 7 is between 6 and 8. In the middle, here is the number 7. Then I'm gonna draw a bar line for Ahmed, and beside it a bar line for Omar. So I will start drawing a bar line for Ahmed up to 7. I want the 2 values 7 and 6 in this place, so I'm gonna start in the middle way here and go up with a half centimeter till I reach the first. So this is the line of Ahmed. We're gonna go up to 7. I'm gonna draw. Then I'm going half centimeter to the old line. Then I'm go down there. So this is the bar of Ahmed in the first week. He saved up to 7. And Omar in the same week saved 6. So I'm gonna go up to 6 and stretch it half centimeter to the middle. Then I'm going down. This is the bar line of Omar. So I draw a bar line for Ahmed with a red color and a bar line for Omar with a blue color. In the second week, I'm gonna do the same. I first gonna draw Ahmed up to 6 I'm gonna start from here with the red line of Ahmed. I'm going up to 6. Then I go half centimeter to the ball line. Then I'm coming down. I shadow this. And in the same week, Omar saved 8 with my blue pen. I'm gonna go up to 8. Just connecting this small area. Then I'm gonna go half centimeter and go down. The third week, we have 10 and 10. So the bar of Ahmed will go from this point up to 10. We go just half centimeter and shadow the line. And then Omar is at the same number. We're gonna raise up to here and just go half centimeter. And the last week, the fourth week, Ahmed saved up to 12. Here is 12. And Omar saved up to 15, so we're gonna go up to 15 in the middle way between 14 and 16. I'm going half centimeter, then I go down and shadowing this or then I'm gonna make a notification for the reading. I'm just gonna color this square up there. So I just make a note that the blue color is the color of Omar. So all the bars with a blue color is the readings of what Omar saved, and I'm gonna make the same one for Ahmed. I'm gonna color this and name it Ahmed. So all the bars with a red color shows the readings of Ahmed. I finished my bar line, double bar line. So each row colored with red shows the numbers of Ahmed, like this. We have 7, then 6, then 10, then 12. And each bar colored with blue shows the readings of Omar. We have 6 and 8 and 10 and 15. Our lesson is finished. Don't forget your homework. Your homework will be in booklet page 78, and see you in another video.